Hello there, welcome to Mindfulness with Hayley. It's great to see you all again. I have a really nice mindfulness activity for us today, and it is adapted from a mindful exercise that I read about once called the Heart of the Rose. So you'll need one thing for this activity, and if it's a lovely piece of nature, that would be perfect. But if for some reason you can't find some nature right now, maybe you could get something you've already got in your house, like a special rock or shell or crystal. Yeah? So just go press pause now on the video and go and collect something just small that you can look at. Alright, with lots of detail. And if it's nature, that's better. So press pause now and I'll see you in a minute. Okay. I hope you're back now and you've got your nature ready or your special whatever. Okay? For this exercise, I have a little piece of geraniums. Do you know geranium? Geranium flowers? From my mum's garden. I asked her, of course. I said, Mom, can I pick some geraniums? And she said yes. Alright? So we're going to start this activity by taking some deep breaths. We're going to have 3 today. Really nice and slow. Hand on chest, hand on tummy. Are you ready? Breathing in. And out. Breathing all the way in. Feeling your chest and tummy open right up and out. Breathing all the way in. And let it out with a little Okay. So what we're going to do now, just for a couple of minutes, is we're going to look very carefully at whatever we have. Okay, so I'm going to guide you through it, and without any talking, you just have to do the things that I'm saying, alright? And notice how it makes you feel the whole time. So here we go. Starting with your special thing, let's use the sense of sight to just observe what we have. So looking at every single detail, colours, the beautiful little details. Just keep looking at your nature, every tiny little thing. I can see tiny little bits of like hair on this plant. And I found a tiny little caterpillar right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Because we're looking so closely at our nature. Little cobweb. So green and fresh. Tiny little rain droplet. Okay, next we're going to use our sense of smell. Your object might not have any smell, but let's smell it anyway. Oh, that's nice. That fresh geranium smell reminds me of growing up out on the farm. Mum had these everywhere. Okay, next we're going to use our sense of touch. So really gently notice all the feels of whatever you have. Is it smooth? Soft? Rough? Pay really close attention. Next, we're going to use the sense of hearing. So my geraniums are probably not going to make much noise, but I'm going to tune into the sounds around me. Can you hear what I can hear? The breeze blowing gently. Cicadas. Some birds. I just even heard a little fly buzz past me. Okay, and last of all, looking back at our object, how does it make you feel to look so closely at something beautiful like nature? Because I feel like when I really slow down and pay close attention to nature and see every single beautiful detail in it, I think that there's magic in the world. It reminds me that if there's this much magic in the world, we all must be here for a reason, and that this crazy universe of ours must know what it's doing. So let's leave it there, and I'll check in with you soon. Take care.